Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the PayGate plugin for PrestaShop. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is download the PrestaShop plugin. You can download it from the GitHub releases page for the PayGate PrestaShop plugin. You can download it by either selecting it or right-clicking and you click Save Link As. But clicking it should normally download straight. Once it's downloaded, open the download folder and move the download to a safe location, such as your desktop or a subfolder within the downloads. I've moved mine to my desktop. Once it's been downloaded, you're going to want to extract the zip file for the PrestaShop PayGate plugin by either double-clicking on it if you're using Mac OS, or by using WinZip or something else on Windows. Most Windows 10 operating systems, if you double-click it, it will extract automatically though. Once it's extracted, open the newly extracted folder and open the Setup Instructions PDF. Now, to set up this plugin, it's a 5-step process. The first step is to log into the admin area of your PrestaShop site. So let's do that now. Now, when you log in, this is going to be the dashboard that you will see. So let's go back to the instructions and look at step 2. Step 2 says go to Improve and then click Modules and Services and click the Upload a Module button. So let's do that. Under Improve, then Modules, Modules and Services. Now here, as you can see at the top of the screen, it says Upload a Module. So let's click that. Now you can either drag the module from your computer here, or you can click Select File. If you click Select File, then you can search for it manually on your computer, but the easiest thing is just to drag the module on. So if you open Finder, or if you're in Windows, open it Explorer, you will notice that there are two files. There's the Setup Instructions and the paygate.zip. You're going to drag the paygate.zip onto your web browser. Now it says module installed. So let's check what the instruction says next. Step 3. Step 3 is the one we've just done. But now you're going to click Configure, or we can proceed to step 4. So let's have a look at what happened with Configure. Let's have a look at what's possible there. Now this is where you put your PayGate ID and your encryption key. Debug here, that's testing mode. So if you have debug set to yes, then the PayGate ID encryption key needs to be the test one that you've been given. If not, then turn debug off and should be your regular one that you've been given by PayGate. But let's have a look at the instructions and see how to continue. Now it says we need to locate the new DPO PayGate module under Installed Modules tab in the Modules and Services window. So I've got Modules, Modules and Services, and click on that. There it is, in 2 installed modules and 1 is PayGate. So now we click Configure. And it's exactly the same thing as we've just seen. So you see, if you click Configure when it's installed, that's the easiest and fastest way to do it, rather than jumping through all the hoops to get back to the same position. The final step, as I said, after you've clicked the Configure button, you add the PayGate ID and encryption key, and then you click Save. And the Save button is on the far right hand side. Once you click Save, then your site will be logged into the PayGate network and you can start receiving payments. And that's all there is to it. Thank you and good luck.